Okay, we're gonna put this Skinner Peep sight on my Henry 44 Magnum. I've already killed 2 deer with the Buckhorn factory, but I want this Peep sight just so it's a little more sturdy, and I hunt some really thick stuff. So first thing we want to do is drift out the Buckhorn sight just to get it out of the way of the Peep. There's a little set screw in the top here. Remove it, and then just be careful. I don't have a brass drift, but if you're careful you can use this. It might scar up the Buckhorn, but that's alright with me anyway. So just tap that Buckhorn out from left to right. Looking down the barrel from left to right. Remove that. And I have a plug. You don't have to put a plug in here, but it's a little marked up, and so I'm just going to plug it for looks mainly. I'll drift it back in the way it came out. One side might go in a little easier than the other. Get it started, then just tap it a little bit. I know should be using brass, but not everybody's got brass anyway. I've got one somewhere, but you can do it. This might mark it up. It's pretty tight. You can file it a little bit if it's not wanting to go. This one's moving, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it in there. It definitely ain't coming out. You can also get a filler that has a screw in the top you can put another aperture for your Skinner sight here. So next you want to remove the screws from the top here. These factory screws out. They're not tight, but you need a really good tip, screwdriver tip, so you don't booger them up. But I'm just doing this to show that you don't need a gunsmith to do this. Now the new sights, the Skinner sight comes with new screws that are Allen's. There's one that's longer than the other, so be sure to, that's to set the windage. So be sure to, I almost forgot, first you want to clean the holes from any oil, from the factory oil. So I got denatured alcohol. You can use several things, but this will just clean these holes. And get all the oil. You do that, then the instructions say you won't need any Loctite. So I thought that was raised there, but I hate to leave that hole open like that. So I'm gonna see if it's flat on the receiver here. I would rather not leave that hole open for sure. But it's raised above that. Well, that ain't gonna work. I think I'm gonna find out about that.